What's up, everybody? Final round. We had EBIX on the $5 put for today. Obviously, we're way in the money. Put expired, worthless for $52 per share, which is over a 10% return. That does I didn't buy. Okay, yeah, that does break the threshold. So we will be making a deposit into the charity and also buying income stock and also buying a spinoff for tax reasons. Now, we wrote some premium today as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit what we're talking about. And I've got a few things to talk about that I really want to touch. Oh, come on, man. Really, come on. So we took the, obviously this one's over with. We ended up getting 52 on that. This is next Friday. And somehow, it's not even on here. I was able to get the $5 strike again. And I posted on the website as well, so feel free to check that out. But I was actually able to get it for $50. So I collected. I'm already way up in the position, but I like getting those at lunch break while the market's open and writing that premium. Now, I also wrote a second premium, and I don't own any of this stock, so it's just a covered put. I got the cash. This position, Hawaiian Electric, I like this stock. I know they have some trouble brewing, but I have a huge position, so I always look to try to get some premium, because if I get put the shares, that helps me average down, right? And if the premium's good, I actually get I get paid to do it. So bid and ask looks like I could have got more. It looks like it fell down at the end of the day. But I took $35 for 13 and a half. Oh, my computer just wants to freeze up. Yeah, open shit. Alright. So it wasn't a great premium, and I did move my order just to get filled, but 35 into 13 and a half. So 2.5%, so 2.5% for 1 week. And also take note of the current price is 30 cents above, so 2% under the current price as well. So it's relatively safe. I get paid 2.5% for 1 week, which my threshold is around 2%. I don't like selling premium on the put side for less than 2% for a week, because that's a double, right? 2% times 50 weeks, that's 100%. So you are taking some risk on, especially, without the shares. But like I said, I already have a big position, and I'd like to sell calls against that position, but my cost basis is just too crazy, and I don't want to sell in the money calls or sell calls that are close to the money just to get some premium and then have to end up getting rid of the stock for a loss, because I believe in the company. I think it's going to do just fine. But also, think about it this way. This is not really going to go towards charity until the full position is liquidated. But think of it this way. So $35 is basically 35 cents per share. And if this stock closes above 13.50 on next Friday, we'll collect that money, and that essentially lowers my cost basis by 35 cents. So more than one way to skin a cat, and the whole key is just having money so that you can use the tools right. But we're getting paid a little bit, uh, and we'll ease in, and you might see Hawaiian Electric on the premium videos for a few weeks, but we're going to get that average down and get rid of that. So, and then when we finally liquidate the position, we'll calculate what the true profits are, and then divvy it up for the charity. So I hope that makes sense. And super stoked. Made $52 per contract, over 10% on EBIX. Things are going good. It's 3 weeks in a row we're able to add to the charity, and also to the income that comes in every month. So I hope you can see the power of this and how it can. Some people just do this strategy, but I think it works good with the other strategies, especially for these low price stock price. I mean, if you selling a put on here, you only need $1,350. And I collected $35 per contract already. So uh, it's not a huge deal, but you do need you do need some cash. So if you're new, forget all this. You can try to learn and soak it up, but just stick to the beginning videos for the public account. Even though we didn't do anything today, when you don't have money, you want to be more choosy about when you're putting it in, uh, and then grow it. So I hope this is helpful. Premium is set for next week already. Set it and forget it, and we'll check again on Friday and see how we did. So have a great weekend, and we'll catch you next week.